What is up, guys? Welcome back to a new video. I hope everyone is doing good. In this video, we'll be doing instance schedule on AWS, and as you can see on my screen, this is the block which AWS has provided. I want you guys to go through the implementation guide before we jump into this video. Everything related to the architecture is mentioned over here. I'll just skip that and let's do the implementation. I have my console logged in, and this is the server which we will be scheduling using the instance scheduler. And if you scroll down, you will directly get the launch in the AWS console solution. So as this is done via CloudFormation, and it will directly get us into the CloudFormation stack. First thing first, you will just change the region to the region where your instance is located. That's done, and it has loaded everything automatically. You just need to click on next. Now let's mention some details. Instance schedule. So first option will be schedule. We will be scheduling EC2 in this lab, and after that we will just scroll down. So this is the major part. So now I'm in Asia Kolkata region. So I'll select that one, Kolkata, right. So as per your default time zone, everyone should select this option. This is very much important. And after that, is this to be done in this account? Yes. Frequency, I'll choose it as 1. Memory size, let it be the default one, and that's it. No changes are to be done. We'll click on next. Let's give it a tag, name, and instance schedule. After that, rule is not required, everything remains default. We'll just hit next. It's just giving us an overview. Or we'll just simply scroll down, acknowledge, and submit. Once you submit, the cloud formation stack is in progress, and I hope it will take 5 minutes. I'll unpause in time. Okay, the stack creation took nearly 4 to 5 minutes, and as you can see, it is completed. And we will directly jump to dynamodb. Okay, there is dynamodb console. Here you can go to tables, and now you can see that three tables are created. You just need to go to the config table, and you will do explore table items. So now, as you can check, these are the table items that we will be working with for our instance schedule. So as of now, we just require to schedule the instance. So we will delete the table items which are not required. So config is the main table item. This should be there. You can't delete this one. Schedule running is required. Schedule up down is not required. Schedule okay, UK office hours is not required. Okay, schedule office hours, and its tag is office hours. So the period office hour is also required, and let me delete all the ones which are not required. Okay, so what we will do, we'll simply delete these items which we don't require in this lab. So now you are left with config, schedule running, schedule stop, schedule Seattle office hours, and period. So first thing what we will do is, so now we're working with this schedule, and which will redirect to this period. So in the schedule, first thing foremost, what we will do is we will just scroll to the right. I'm so sorry. This is the schedule which we will be working with. We will copy this time zone, and here we will do the changes first. So now here will be Isha Kolkata saved. Okay. And as you can check, what is it today? Today is a Sunday. So here also we'll make changes as we will test this today. Here it is Monday to Sunday, and save and close. Okay. After that, okay, let's give it an appropriate name. So now my instance name is EC2 schedule, and I'll just give it a name over here. We'll do edit. You go to the instance, copy the name, and here is the Seattle office as name. We'll just give it as EC2 schedule, the instance name. And let's mention a start item over here. To schedule, let it be easy to schedule for the understanding, and I'll make it lowercase so that we don't mess up. And I'll just copy it, and I just acknowledge and recreate this item. So now this name is EC2 schedule, and now the period here also we will do the changes. Here we will give it the name EC2 schedule and time, and copy it and recreate this item. Okay. So the thing that you need to keep in mind is that the period string name, you'll copy it, and it should be the same as it is mentioned here. So we'll make changes here as well. So as you can check, office hours is there. We will just change it with our predefined name. When we change it, you can see that the period is same. Now here the period is also same, and the schedule we have given it a different name. So now let's test this out, and for our EC2 instance. So as this is our instance and the time is 1:15 now, what we will do is let's start this instance at 13, 18, 3 minutes now, and we will stop this instance at 13, okay, 13:23, and save. And we have already mentioned the weekdays, that is Monday to Sunday. And for this to work, we'll go to instance, tags, manage tag. We will be adding two new tags, that is the schedule and period. Schedule, make sure this S is capital, and period P is also capital. I don't know why, but this is to be mentioned over here. As I just copied it in my last lab, the schedule as it is, but it didn't work. So keep a note on that. I'll copy the name. Here we mention it, and the period name. That's it, and save. Okay, so now let's wait. It's 1:17. In 1 minute. This should work. Let's see. Okay, so it's 118. Just let's refresh this. Let's give it a while. Okay, everything is fine. Okay, as you can check that it has started, and in the tags also the value has changed. Started by instance schedule. This is the table name which we defined at the start, and the time showing over here is in UTC. So yeah, this schedule is working fine. Now we'll wait for this instance to stop as well, which is at 1:13. So I'll unpause the video again in time. Okay, so we are back. It's 1:22 again. It is a minute less now. Okay, so instance has an initialized also as of now. Okay, it's 1:23. Let's see if the instance is stopping or not as per our defined schedule. 13:23. Okay, let's give it some time again. It should stop by now. Okay. So as you can check, the it has stopped as per the defined time, that is 1:23, and yeah, it is working fine. And so this is how you can schedule instance using the instance scheduler. Also, what I want is when you guys go through the implementation guide, you can see that there is an architecture overview, and here the schedules and the periods are defined in a very proper way. And also there are few more tags that you can add as well, so this will really help you guys to schedule the instance more effectively. And yeah, that's the video. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you soon. Thank you.